Seeing soup in a dream is interpreted as an increase in the dreamer's income. Furthermore, witnessing oneself eating soup in the dream is also a sign that the person's successes in professional life will grow. Dreaming of consuming soup often indicates a rise in material gain and a gradual increase in salary. Drinking soup in a dream is frequently interpreted as divine blessing and abundance. To see white yogurt soup in a pot within a dream is said to signify that help will come from someone close. Additionally, while the dreamer's goals may be realized, in some cases, great sorrows may also be experienced. It is possible for the vision of white yogurt soup in a pot to be interpreted in different ways. Drinking soup with pleasure and fondness in a dream signifies the opening of one's fortune and the expansion of one's sustenance. However, drinking hot soup in summer or cold soup in winter may lead to sorrow. There are various interpretations for seeing soup in dreams. Specifically, consuming lamb meat soup signifies an elevation in honor and rank. The salary of a person who drinks soup in their dream will gradually increase. This individual can achieve significant accomplishments by developing their own business. The dreamer who consumes soup in their vision receives a raise and simultaneously expands their own enterprise rapidly. If the soup drunk in the dream is clean, it points to good fortune, plenty, and abundance. Conversely, if the soup consumed is dirty, it is interpreted that the dreamer will fall ill. Seeing sour soup in a dream is interpreted as performing a beneficial deed. Moreover, the dreamer requires significant property and possessions in a short time. Witnessing sour soup in a dream is also understood as a symbol of abundance and plentiful earnings. Seeing oneself spilling soup in a dream means that some unfavorable developments will occur. Also, the person who sees soup being spilled in their dream may face some troublesome situations. The overflowing of soup in a dream is interpreted as an increase in the dreamer's debts. Furthermore, it means that the person who has this dream will endure hardships. Seeing soup boil over in a dream is also interpreted as a deterioration in the dreamer's health. Being offered soup in a dream is associated with a guest who will come to the house. Additionally, it is said that giving soup to another person may lead to the emergence of some complicated circumstances. Cooking soup in a dream can be interpreted as the dreamer being confused. Accordingly, the dreamer may have considerable difficulty making decisions about certain matters. Stirring soup in a dream carries the meaning that the dreamer will earn money through the sweat of their brow. Moreover, it is understood that the person who sees themselves stirring soup in their dream earns their money in a lawful and pure manner. Seeing oneself preparing soup in a dream is interpreted as the dreamer becoming confused due to some reasons. Furthermore, the dreamer finds themselves in a difficult position regarding certain issues.